I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado dessert Filipino style. First, select 2 to 3 ripe avocados. They should yield slightly to gentle pressure. Next, gather 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, typically around 14 ounces, which provides the essential sweetness. Finally, have about 1 cup of crushed ice ready. This simple combination forms the base for a truly delightful and refreshing treat that is incredibly easy to prepare at home. Now let's prepare the star ingredient. Carefully have each avocado, remove the large pit, and scoop all the vibrant green flesh into a mixing bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocado. You want it mostly smooth, but don't worry about achieving a perfectly uniform consistency. A few small, soft chunks actually enhance the dessert's texture, giving it a more homemade and satisfying feel. This step is quick and simple. With your mashed avocado ready, it's time to add the sweetness. Pour the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk directly over the avocado in the bowl. Stir the mixture thoroughly with a spoon, ensuring the milk is fully incorporated and the avocado becomes beautifully creamy. Finally, add your 1 cup of crushed ice. Gently fold it in. This helps to chill the dessert quickly and gives it a delightful, refreshing coolness. It's almost ready. Your delicious Filipino avocado dessert is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately in individual dessert bowls to best appreciate its refreshing coolness. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes or a fresh mint leaf, adding both visual appeal and a hint of extra flavor. This simple, creamy, and sweet treat is perfect for any time you crave something cool and satisfying. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.